It's another Ask Henna Sooq. You come to the right place to ask all your questions about naturally dyeing your hair with henna, covering your grays, getting healthy hair through Ayurvedic hair care, and you're looking for some henna and jago body art tips. I got you covered. Welcome. My name is Khadija. I'm the CEO and founder of this beautiful brand, Hennasooq. We're located right here in Columbia, Maryland. And remember, if you have a question that you need answering like right now, just go to our website, hennasooq.com, click on the little chat icon. It's like a little green circle on the bottom right-hand side of our website or your mobile device. And then you can go there and just ask any questions that you want on any of those topics. So our first question comes from the Carter Chronicles, and they ask, which Ayurvedic herbs are moisturizing for the hair? Yes, because some of the herbs can be drying. It's true, you need some balance in that. You need moisture. If your hair needs moisture, right, you gotta listen to your hair, recognize what it needs. So really good Ayurvedic herbs that provide the moisture that you're looking for would be aloe vera powder, fenugreek. Those are two of my favorite that work really well for moisture. I would say those are probably the top two moisturizing herbs from India for sure. So definitely choose from those. Question number 2 comes from Sarah B, and she asks, what do you think of black rice infused hair growth oil, where the rice infused into a carrier oil similar to the other herbs, would, like the way that you would use other herbs to do the same type of thing? From your experience, do you think this would be safe? I definitely think it would be safe to do so. You could definitely do so. Why? Yeah, why not? Absolutely. The black rice infused in a hair growth oil, I would say definitely give it a try, give it a shot. I just don't personally know how easily you can extract and infuse rice into growth oil, but if you guys want to put comments below, because I'm always learning, if there's something that I don't know about that you guys know about, let me know. I do like infusing the herbs. I feel like the herbs, and it may just be me, and I could be totally wrong, just seeing that they're more open, more porous, more able to disperse their benefits. But remember, there are certain ingredients, even like Amla fruit, it doesn't produce its own oil like that. So they actually have to macerate it in oil and extract the nutrients and the benefits from it. So it's really interesting. It can get deep. So I would really like to know how that came out for you though. So definitely let me know. Question number 3 comes from Shauna Christensen. And they ask, can I use Amla on my color treated hair? I've used it only once and it made my hair very dull and dry. So I'm kind of not surprised because it's very acidic, because it's high in vitamin C. So it can be drying. It's not like a moisturizing herb. So it needs slip. So you need to use it with a conditioner or some type of like shea butter, cocoa butter, something that your hair loves that will give it slip. So, and being that your hair is color treated, absolutely. If your hair is color treated, relaxed, in a perm, you can use any and all of our Ayurvedic herbs, like really, literally, you can. You absolutely can. But for your Amla, I would really like to know how you used it. I need more information to kind of gauge like what happened, so that it came out so dry and dull, because it's a great herb to use. But again, it needs the necessary ingredients added to it to make it work for your hair. And that's really important, everyone. Use Ayurvedic herbs according to what your hair needs. And yes, it's gonna take a little bit of figuring out. That's why I built this channel, so you guys can know, like, okay, these are moisturizing, I need moisture, I feel dry. So you're not just gonna go straight and use any Ayurvedic herb. You gotta use them in balance with moisture and the benefit that you need. You need to look at it as a whole so you get the final results that you're looking for. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in and asking these great questions. I love this series. It's so much fun. Please stay tuned for next week. Subscribe, hit the bell. Don't miss any of my great videos. I'm going to keep you guys on your toes. I always have stuff coming for you guys. Stay tuned and just ask away. Let us know how we can best support you. And I will see you next time. Bye.